uddannelse kommer du i praktik i en virksomhed i minimum 3 måneder. Det giver dig erfaring, og du får brugt din nye viden ude i erhvervslivet. Ansøg senest den 5. juli. Læs mere på iba.dk.
Ved du, hvad der er vildt? Som laborant arbejder du med alt fra medicin til miljø, og du gør en reel forskel. Uddannelsen hos UC Syd er hands-on med masser af laboratorieopgaver. Det er faktisk ret fedt.
Søg ind nu. Frist 5. juli kl. 12. Læs mere på ucsyd.dk.
Blame it on me. You're just too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descending to madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the virus. Hell, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change can say so. Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious?
Dude, I'm fucking muted. I've been sitting here talking forever. And my Spotify capture is not even working. Fuck, dude. Where is it? Where is it? Spotify. There it is. I think. Oh, there we go. There's music going. Yeah, that's my bad. I didn't know that. But look at this. This is what I earned from streaming yesterday. Believe it or not. 10 cents. Or not yesterday, the day before yesterday. 10 fucking cents. Yeah. Yeah. I'm him. Fucking nothing. Got nothing. But hey, it's still better than literally getting nothing. So, I was saying... I love this this text-to-speech thing that I've got going now. It's perfect. No, I'm not. Oh, right. Yeah. Now I'm getting $10. Sure. Yeah. Okay. First order of business. I need to fix that freaking bug that I just found. Which was. Oh, right. This down here. So in the leaderboard, let's see the client side leaderboard, I believe. Yeah, the menus for the leaderboard. Let's see. Leaderboard, there it is. So line 100. A nice even 100. No, don't worry. The ads, how do I put this? The ads are done for now. The next hour will be ad-free for everyone. And then after that hour, we'll see. Because I have to keep, what do you call those? Pre-rolls off. Hold on, I'm just looking for the information on that. You know, just so I can keep an eye on it. Alright, there it is. Okay, so now I have all the information I need. I have 56 minutes and 11 seconds left till I have to do ads again. And I can change the amount of time spent watching ads if anyone has any well, issues with it. In the meantime, I will just change a few things. Save that. That should be fine. Cool. Torture? No, not torture. Not torture. Just enhanced interrogation. It's fine. It's illegal, certainly. Certainly legal. Right. I know you've spent half my stream watching ads, but that just means you need to watch more of my stream. Then it won't be half anymore. So one thing that I'm a little bit annoyed about with this thing is that it's actually going through players that have negative keys. If data.key is below 0, then below or equal to 0, then continue. This was one of the test users. Well, you just say that as the Spotify ads start, so you know that I'm holding you responsible for that. Got rid of minor leaderboard bug. There we go. Because I'm 100% sure that works. It will, however, skip a few indexes once in a while, but I don't think that matters all that much. Okay, let's see. What do I want now? I wanted the credits done. So for the credits, honestly, I'm thinking just put it in the game description, no? So if I go... Oh, there's no description. Why is there no description? I thought I wrote one of these. Alright, guys, we're writing a description today. I guess. Grow a brain rot. Well, I mean, you're not getting paid for it this time, are you? Because you keep saying, "Oh, I'm not getting paid," like every single time. Hope you're getting paid. What do you mean hope? Didn't you make sure? Okay, Albert, you are not great at spelling. Make it slop. Survive fire-based disasters by pets to help you survive better. And what else? Invite your friends for a friends to what? To see who can survive the longest. I wonder, should I add streaks to the game? Oh, Albert, thank you for following me again. Wait, are you just doing that again and again and again, like unfollowing me and then following me? I don't feel like that's fair. No, I'm not. Project Time, I'm not doing that. You can forget all about it. So you can survive the longest. Let's see. Fire-based disasters. Survive fire-based disasters. Not like that. Like this. By pets. And this is where I put in... Well, you guessed it. A cat and a monkey? Not really the same style though. Like so. Space or no space? Probably no space, right? No space. No, Albert, I feel like you would be banned off of Roblox pretty quickly. I need to get rid of these emojis, because they're not doing it. You can survive the longest and get on the leaderboard. Now we're gonna do credits. Yeah, it's a bit of a scam, huh? Those channel points don't do shit. But you know why I like it? I like it because I can use it too. Yeah. Let's see. Please. Don't ban me. Okay, so the people on my credits list are as follows. This one. And this one. I actually created 2 maps. I don't remember what the other one's named. Hold on, let me just Okay, bamboo. Not too difficult to remember, but okay. No, you're not, Albert. You haven't done anything. Let's see, yeah, Albert, you did, and I haven't. Because I feel like it would be a little bit too intrusive on, well, everything really. Honestly, Project, you might need to be in here because you've tested my game a little bit too much not to be. Like you have, you've been a little too active not to be. Pretty sure that's your. I'm not 100% sure that's your Roblox username. Where the fuck are you? There you are. Oh, you are definitely not named that. You're named something totally different. Master Tester. Good enough? I don't understand, Albert. What do you mean spin the wheel? Alright, I feel that the description is fine. I don't need to do anything else. Okay, what now? Right now, I do the satisfying thing of taking this ticket and moving it to done, because it really does need testing. Leaderboard looks weird on my screen. Right, this is the next one, because when I start the game, the leaderboard looks off. Right now it looks fine, but when I scale the screen differently, it looks weird. I can't really show it right now, but I will, however, be... Hold on. There might be a simple solution to some of these problems. Like, for example, these things in the top right here. These motherfuckers didn't change from offset. They're all scaled. The text labels, anyways. So I'm gonna jump in here, go for the plugin, go to... Pretty sure it's unit conversion. Yeah, scale and scale. And see, they do nothing. So this is on the x-axis, so I'll probably go ahead and say... No, sorry. No, it's 0.94. Damn, I was wrong. Okay. I can be wrong without crying about it, I think. Okay, so this thing is definitely not scaled, but it's intentional. This thing right here is not either. Oh, that's probably why they're getting crammed together so bad. What if I give them some extra space? No, that's not gonna work. They're getting 10 pixels of space. Honestly, Project, I don't know how that thing works. I don't know how those emotes work. I've never actually tried figuring it out either. So, yeah. You bought a random one for... Nice. Well played. But look at this. If I take this and I switch it to a... Let's see. 2K monitor, right? Suddenly it becomes very small, and if I duplicate a lot of these samples, I just don't feel like it looks right anymore. Rented it for 24 hours. Well, I was kind of wondering how you could buy it. But, you know, there you go. That's the answer I needed. Alright, let's see. Oh, shit. Really? Dude, look at this shit. Okay, that's not okay. Yeah, apparently the loading screen is fucked as well. Let's see, it's removing the pet module? What the fuck? Pet module in where? In the replicated storage bootstrap. Why? Okay, pull from master. Let's see what happens. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Every single time. I'm telling you, every time I have to rebase. I don't think I had to do that anymore. Fine, do that. And then I need to make a few edits to this thing up here. So if I click the button too quickly... Really? So that's how that works. Honestly, man. I don't care. Channel points are fine. He's just going to be infinitely able to text to speech, honestly. I feel like that's the only thing he's going to be able to do. And, you know, get the emojis. But, yeah. So I'm kind of wondering here. Spawn result. Result. Okay, so except for the fact that that was a giant failure, I am now opening Roblox Studio again, even though I don't have to. Cool. Oh, by the way, something's flying around my room, so if you hear me get really silent and then the stream just ends, it's probably because I hit my computer so hard that it disconnected. Spawn result nil. Okay, okay, I can work with that. Not really. Oh, wait, that's because it comes, yeah, a stop, or, cancel action, no, pause, play button, remove tween, dot, time something? I'm pretty sure it's just stop, right? Hold on. Is it cancel? Hold on. Use either pause or cancel. Pause stops the tween and allows it to resume from the same point later, while cancel stops the tween and resets its property to their initial state. Okay, so cancel is definitely the one I want to use. Then it resets it all, and the button becomes the same size, and so on and so forth. So basically where the bug comes in is because it's trying to... It's trying to read some data off of somewhere that doesn't have any data. Oh, and that's kind of breaking it. Let's try this again. So we're coming in real hot, and we do like... Oh boy. Okay, I know how to recreate the issue, but...
My name is Caden Sinclair. Some people call us American royalty.
We were liars. En ny serie på Prime Video.
We were happy. We wanted for nothing.
Baseret på bestselleren.
Something terrible happened last summer, and I have no memory of what or who hurt me. No one in my family will tell me. When you're left for dead, you want answers.
We were liars. Ny serie. Se den nu.
Oh, wait, completed. Oh. Oh. State. If state is equal to enum.playback state.cancelled, then return end. You're not just getting past this one.
Erhvervsakademi Kolding kan du vælge mellem en lang række videregående
And then we're publishing that shit.
professionsbachelor i e-commerce.
And then we're playing that shit.
Uanset uddannelse kommer du i praktik i en virksomhed i minimum 3 måneder. Det giver dig erfaring, og du får brugt din nye viden ude i erhvervslivet. Ansøg senest den 5. juli. Læs mere.
See, it comes back. And now the response goes through. Okay, cool. So that is that bug fixed. Check that off my list. What the fuck? Okay, I gotta work on that. I seriously gotta work on the claim rewards thing. Have a friend join, thank you. Okay, so everything's looking pretty good, but then I go into the leaderboard and it's just... Why is the coin so fucking small? Why is it not loading? Oh, why is it crashing? Attempting to compare string to number. Fuck, it's a string. Whoa. Okay, so that's that fixed. Play button no longer just disappears. Cool. That's a good commit note. Oh shit, I'm in the game still. Oh, it's paused. Okay, cool. String with number. Okay, so we probably shouldn't be doing that. Actually, you know what? Oh, let's put this inside the test that spawn. So if it crashes, it'll just crash that instance. Yeah, what about it? What about the daily rewards project? What about them? Yeah, the last one gives you 25 spins, right? Or do you mean like this one, the second one? Like, which one are you talking about? Plus 2-1? I'd imagine I could have probably made a mistake there. Rewards is not the right one, but maybe I could... daily... Maybe that's gonna come with something. Okay, that didn't help. Maybe just in here. Daily... Where do I get daily rewards info from? Script.daily rewards. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Thank you for pointing that out to me. Fuck me. It's the same for all of these spins. It's 2. That's 5. That's 25. I'm just gonna check if all these match, because obviously I was drunk that day. Okay, good. They're fixed. Fixed plus 25 spins on +2 spin day daily rewards. Now to the actually reason I'm here, the leaderboard. That doesn't load. Okay. Can you leave the game real quick? I need to apply some changes. Thank you. We can just go ahead and join again because there's no real reason to stay out. I just needed to fix the leaderboard so I can actually get to fixing the leaderboard. Oh my goodness. This is just... It's way too close. So what do I do about this? Okay, first of all, the UI might need to be a little bit bigger. If I just go over to... Where is it? Leaderboard? There it is. So these things in the top are super small. For some reason. Are they not scaled? Oh, come on, they're not scaled. Oh man, that was simpler than it was supposed to be. Oh my boys. Okay. The leaderboard here obviously needs some more space. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to space them depending on the size of the screen. How about that? Oh, not that one. Fuck. This one right here. Alright, see there's some menus. And now, what I need to do is I need to go into the leaderboard. And clone. There it is. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this back in the normal size, average laptop, and that is 768 in height. So what we're gonna do is say local scale percentage equals, and honestly I gotta close this thing down because it's driving me nuts. You can't scroll past 9th place? Like on the phone? Wait, did I add the... There's a feature that I might not have added. Automatic size. Why? Did I... Oh, wait, not that one. Not that one. The one... down here. Yeah, automatic size. Why? Okay, yeah, I forgot something. That's why it's not working. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just dumb. It happens. But thank you for pointing it out. .8. I'm not making it more than 0.8 less. And what else? We're saying 768 or something. Is that the size? 768, yeah. Divided by And that would be workspace dot camera dot view port size dot y. And then what we do is we say clone, actually item dot, and of course item is going to be type of, do I just put like 2 of these? Fuck, I can't do that. What do I do? I really want the auto completion here. Let's see. You know, I'm just gonna do it up here because I want the auto completion, but I don't want it that bad. Item dot size equals item dot size times. I can't do that, can I? I can't do that. Then I'm gonna have to do a udim. Udim 2 dot new. We do dot x dot scale. Dot x dot offset. Dot y dot scale. Dot y dot offset. Okay, that's better. And then we do this. I'm pretty sure it's. There it is. It is on the absolutely last thing over here. We say times, and then we have to grab this and put it down here. Scale percentage. Cool. So now that's gonna resize the window to a certain size. Have you left the game again? Either way, I'm shutting down the servers now so we can start over again. What? Really? No. Oh, oh, nice. See, that's exactly why I put it in there. Because it's fun. It's great. Okay, let's see. The leaderboard thing works. It does not. Not even slightly. I'm gonna have to shut down the servers, my friend. Hold on. How did it not work? Wait, hold on. If I go 2K monitor and I just play the game in here. Of course, I'm the only one in there because I am the only one that's played here. Ooh, hold on. Experience event ID IPI. Oh, damn. Event ID and then okay, that's cool and all, but I was hoping to like check how long there was until the event and stuff like that. If it then went minus, it could. Oh my god, they're not giving us what we want. That's the problem. They are not. They don't even. They killed global chats, people. They killed global chats. It's not great. It's really not great. We should get those things back. I haven't even checked it out. I just saw people disliked it and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna look into it. I know there's 1,000 games. Like, what? Who the fuck thought of that? Like, oh yeah, the average attention span of people nowadays is lower. Let's make this game. I publish that. Close down the servers. And click play. Bonk. Wee. Bim bim. Bim bim dun 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 dun. No. Okay, what the fuck is the percentage here? 0.8? It's making it fucking smaller? Oh, duh. I made the math wrong. It's supposed to be this way around. Oh shit. That's kind of stupid, honestly, but alright. Shut down. Whee! Oh, here we go. Oh god. Oh, I didn't do the oh my god. Keep doing this. This thing needs to have clip descendants on, and it does. It's clearly not working. I'm so confused. Oh, wait. No, no. No, no, no. It upsized the entire thing, didn't it? It upsized the entire freaking thing. Okay, hold on, hold on. Let's, But in no way does it ask it to do that. Is it because I have the automatic size thing on? Did I forget to specify it's supposed to be automatic canvas size? Oh yeah, that is exactly what I did. Canvas. Automatic canvas size. Why? Damn, I'm stupid. Clip. Not relevant. Alright, we're trying this again. Also, the percentage was 1.79. Alright, okay. I guess. I think. Let me just check how it looks on my screen. Is this just gonna keep on going? I think my game got stuck somewhere. It started failing on the get recurse. That's not good. Okay, cool. That works. Oh, for fuck's sake, there's still not more than one person here. Oh, it's because I was already in the game and it had my profile loaded. Okay, I see, I see. But if you really want to use my data, sure, go for it. Big numbers equals more investors. Yeah, I kind of feel like that's what they're going for, but I doubt that's how it works. Like with their servers crashing every time a big project comes out, I feel like they should probably focus more on that than bigger projects. I mean, all right, you know what? Yeah, they do. They should probably fix that. Oh, let's see. Leaderboard. I don't feel like anything changed here, man. Automatic size. No. Automatic. Oh, wait. Did I? I didn't publish, did I? No, I did not. Alright. Say goodbye to the server again. Desperate. £1 fish? What do you mean £1 fish? Okay, now they're kind of spaced more evenly. But I feel like the inside is still... Oh, maybe I should also scale the inside. Wouldn't that be fucking brilliant? Basically just do the exact same thing we did down here. But instead of the item being the subject, we're gonna do item.mainFrame. Yeah, that should do it. And that should also scale that one up. Alright, we're trying again. Alright, look at this! Leaderboard fucking works! Because it's an alt account, man. I'm not friending alt accounts. Forget about it, Spaghetti Man. Alright, so I am... You're so happy? Well, I mean, it's you. You are the one. You are that person. Fixed the bug. Alright, let's see. Do I have more tickets? Let's force them to be at a certain scale, shall we? So let's go look up stuff on Google. Roblox, how to force a certain scale on characters. I'm sure ChatGPT probably would have a faster answer, but let's go do it the Google way. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. What is mine? I'm wondering, does mine have a different proportion than default Roblox characters, as they call it? And my character, which is where? Inside characters. Humanoid dot. That's funny because print workspace dot characters dot me dot humanoid dot scale. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, so they're actual objects inside. Oh, these. Okay. Why can't I change anything? Okay. Exciting. And these don't change either, so I can just change them to whatever, apparently. Ah, kind of annoying that this doesn't do anything. Hello there, Rigid Raven. Welcome to the chat. We're just trying to figure out why my character is not responding to certain... What the fuck? Oh, okay. I was wondering if that thing was suddenly going to change everything. But no. No, it did not. Alright. Kind of trying to figure out how to determine the size of my character in just a pretty easy way. But Google's unhelpful because it's giving me a thing of the past, apparently. No, I didn't ask for context. Please go away. How to force this character to the same size. Okay, good. So... Oh. You can set in file game settings avatar. Okay, let's see. I need everyone's characters to be the same size as everyone else's, as players can't fit through doors if they're too big. Scale tab option doesn't work for me. My purpose is as players can equip bundles if there are any way to set it by default or anything. Not this. Yeah, I know to use ChatGPT, but dude, they just gave me the wrong answer up here. This one right here, the AI overview on Google. They said humanoid.scale, which is a value that doesn't exist anymore. It's kind of funny how it says humanoid.scale and down here it's giving me a totally different answer. This might have worked if it actually changed anything when I started changing it manually. Use a time machine? Yeah, sure. Can we ask ChatGPT how to make a time machine for me? Go back in time. But see, it's telling me to change these values in here. But I don't think it matters much what I change them to. They don't do anything. Got any ideas? Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna probably take that idea into account first. The one with the, Thank you for the follow, Rigid Raven. Very much appreciated. I am gonna try and use ChatGPT for this one. See if it actually comes up with anything better than Google does. Oh my god, it's bright. Did they make this bright just to annoy me? Oh, ha. I can't make... Okay. Cool. In Roblox, how would I... Yeah, I know. You know what? I'm bringing this over on another monitor. You guys don't have to get flashbang with me. And this one's white as well. You know what? There we go. Roblox, how would I force all characters to be the same size? So it's still telling me to adjust. Huh, okay. So you know what, fuck this. I'm opening up ChatGPT over here. There we go, that's better. In Roblox, how would I force a character to force all characters to be the same size? See, this is the thing. That's a totally different answer from what I asked before. Fuck. Okay, well, let's see what we can do about it in here, because honestly, this might work. A 100 to 100. I'm not, no wiggle room, stop it. There we go. Take this and just paste. There we go. And that didn't work. Okay. Like so. Override player choices? No, I'm good. Override player choices? No, I'm fine. There are 15. Yes. Player choice for animations? Sure thing. Collisions outer box? Yes, sir. Alright, so maybe that does it. Practically time. You're a different size character than I am, right? Like usually you are. By the way, I forgot to drop the usual Roblox Studio streamer. Well, that's me. I don't know what you mean. Who are you looking for? A specific one? No, I don't want you to be the default size, actually. I want you to be everything but default size. Hello, Derp. Thank you. I appreciate it. I do agree, but I appreciate it still. Strongly agree, actually. Yeah, okay. If it's in a different size, just join the test game. We're just testing it out again. Oh, guys, we're moving up on the ad period again. The pre-rolls will be activated in 4 minutes ish. So oh shit, where did you go? Get in the game quickly, get in here. We're the exact same size right now, and I'm also the exact same size as your alt account. What's the chances of that, right? So I'm feeling like that's good. I feel like that's fine. If anyone wants to try and check sizes, I'd appreciate some help. All right, so all right, people, 3 minutes of ads and then another hour without any, okay? You guys ready? Not the ads. I'm sorry. You got ejected into the game. Good luck. I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna do for the next hour, because right now I feel like I'm kind of out. Am I? This thing with the leaderboard should be moved into done after this. Forcing the character size, probably a music script of sorts where you can control your music and do a few things. Yeah, something like that, I think. Let's see, reward errors. I need to move that into planned as well, because that's terrifying. More spawn points, no unlockable items. Okay, Okay, people, brainstorming. Is the game fine or does it need more slash less? Like, I feel like the gun tragedy. No, I'm not doing that right now. No. I probably will add more disasters, but I feel like the gun tragedy is a bit of a stretch. Like, it's not much of a disaster. It's more of a tragedy. I don't do tragedies. I do disasters. I know I want to make it, but it's a lot. I feel like there's a lot to do there. Oh, you left. Okay. I'm just enjoying that everything works and just taking a look around, seeing if anything is broken. I don't think it is. Cool. Now that we know that, I could probably close down this ticket right here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and create a pull request. Master close whenever we're done. Create pull request. We're making a merge commit. We're moving this one to done. Merge. I like this song. It's pretty good. Alright, so that is handled. I can hop back on the master branch right here. I can remove this because that's unnecessary. I can sync down 37 changes. That is crazy. Gun tragedy. No. I feel like I would be a little bit too American for that. If I did that, rather. Okay, so I'm in the master branch right now. So I should start pruning some of the branches that I don't use. Select the branch to delete. That one. I wish I could do more of these at once. Alright, cool. All branches are gone. So, now, let's look at the ticket board. I'm probably going to focus on... Actually, no, let's put that into testing. Fuck. Hold on. Force players, and testing. There you go. Project Time, would you mind testing that for me? The player scaling thing? Can you make your alt account like super small and your other account super high, and then just join at the same time and see if they're the same size? Because that would be very much appreciated. Also, the rewards every 30 minutes. Let's see. So, the thing is, right, there's no actual error. It just happens. I don't know what's going on. But let's see. So whenever the player joins... I'm confused here. Okay, so what did I call it? Did I just call it rewards? I'm pretty sure I did, right? Yeah, seconds in game. Cool. So I'm pretty sure I have something in here as well. Right? Rewards at start. Okay, so here's where the player requests the server. Can I get some data on this? It then says, if player data object dot player data dot data dot left game time what the fuck am I doing here? Dude, the math is not mathing. So when the player left the game, right? If that is higher, honestly, I'm doing it the other way around because this just confuses me. I was doing it the right way around before, but this also works. If the time that you left plus 1800 seconds is larger than the current time, then print resetting. Else just print continue. Into the highways and on we'll go. Seconds left. There we go. So that right there is going to tell me how much time it thinks is left, right? Oh shit. Wait, which one of them are tall? I don't feel like either of them are different sizes. Are they even different sizes? Okay, I'm gonna reduce this to like 5 seconds. And then I'm gonna boot up this game right here and see if it actually resets or not. Continue. 1051 seconds left. I'm gonna assume that's because it hasn't synchronized yet. And we're gonna do it again. Continue. 1790 seconds left. What? I'm very confused. You know what? What if I take this? No, I can't do that. That's stupid. I'm turning this music up. Hold on. There we go. If you can't hear me, it's because of the damn music. So if player data, if the time that they left plus 5 seconds. Actually, no, that's below. I need to say below. If that's below os.time, then it should be resetting. That's probably where the issue was, right? Yeah, that's definitely where the issue was. What if I change... Okay, I leave and I change this to like 30 seconds. And then I immediately join back, like so. So now it's gonna take 21 seconds left. But it's a continue. It should have saved the... Oh my goodness. It didn't... It just reset it. I'm gonna let this run down to like 40, and that's like so. Now it should be at like around 44 next time I join, which is gonna be immediately after. But it's at 59. Okay, so that's a bit of a problem actually. Okay. Equals current time. But I don't feel like it should be current time. It should be the... Oh, you know what I could do?
Stop.
I could say equals... Oh, fuck, hold on. Okay, player data object. Dot loyalty timer started. What we're gonna say is dot started. Left timer. There we go. Left game timer minus the time started. If current time is below or equals 0, then current time equals os.clock. Oh no, dot time. Sorry, that's my bad. So player timer is the current timer. Welcome back, Yushi. Well, I mean, we do os.time plus and then plus this, and then if we see this is above os.time. Local time. Fuck. How do I do this? Because honestly, the current timer is not supposed to be this. New timer, like so. We switch out the current timer everywhere. And then what I do is say current timer equals os.time, and I can switch out all these lesser important ones. All right. So the current timer says, oh, it's always a time. The new timer says, okay, the current timer plus, and then we're saying the time that the player left the game, negative or minus when the loyalty timer started. Then if that timer, the new timer, is above current timer, which means if this is negative, then it's just gonna reset the entire thing. But let's say it's not. Then it's gonna set this to the previous time. Fuck, this is not resetting the timer. I've been working under the entirely wrong thing here. Okay, this is there we go. Reset to new timer. Okay, I guess I'm working with this stuff up here. Fuck. This and this. And oh fuck, hold on. Local time already spent equals this, okay? Time already spent equals to that. Then we're doing os dot time minus time already spent, right? And then claim rewards equals the already claimed rewards. And then it visualizes this to the client. Okay, let's try that. So we wait like let's say 15 seconds ish. Right, so that says 45 now. It might drop down to like 42 or something like that. Or just go straight back to 50, sure. Alright, have fun with that. Oh right, I fucked up the logic for it. If the left game timer plus 1800 seconds is still above what's that time, then we can continue with the current data. Otherwise, no, cannot.
Ved du hvad der er vildt? Som laborant arbejder du med alt fra medicin til
Forgot the issue we're trying to solve. It was the rewards. It's 37 seconds. 37 seconds. I am leaving and rejoining very quickly. 37 seconds, please. That makes no sense. 41. And it's dropping even further. Okay, I feel like I know what this is. Yeah, I definitely know what this is. So whenever I do this, I load the data. I also need to change this value right here, loyalty timer started. So what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to say do I need to add another value? I think I do. Like a bit of an offset value. Kind of wondering here. Alright, I'm just gonna pause the music for a second. Now I need to concentrate. So basically what's happening here is whenever I leave the game, the leave game timer leaps forward, but the loyalty timer started, it does not. So basically what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take the loyalty timer started and push it forwards all the way up to... Well, I suppose this is going to be more difficult than I thought it was going to be. You know what would be making this a lot easier? If I wasn't doing this, but just called it loyalty time spent. Loyalty time spent, like so. And we say 0 because that makes sense. And then we say loyalty time spent equals, and this is the player removing one. We don't even need to, you know, actually we do need to do this one. We need to say player object dot started. Well, yeah, you know, yeah, I can do this. Loyalty timer started. Probably gonna need os.time for this. Minus a loyalty timer started, so we're doing that. Then what we're gonna do for the loading, we're gonna say time spent. Oh boy. I forgot that thing actually did something. Left time equals 0. We're also gonna need that value. I was kind of trying to get out of it, but okay. Fuck. There we go. Okay, so now that we've got that going. So we see say whenever they left, but the problem is I don't actually set that value right now because I removed it. So what I'm gonna have to do is say player data object dot player data dot leave left game time equals os dot time. So we're doing this, and we're probably gonna do local current time equals this. To synchronize the time between each other. All right, music back on. I think I can handle it from now on. Dot loyalty. The loyalty time spent. Equals os.time minus. Actually, you know what? Local current time, like we usually do, right? Yeah. Equals current time minus time spent, which is this one. Okay, I think this is gonna work. I'm basing that off of hopes and dreams. We'll see. So we're waiting this out till like, let's say 40. We're stopping it. And we're playing it again. Yes! And now we're waiting it out till 20. Actually, just 30. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm happy with that. That fixed the bug. And pull request. Oh shit. I didn't do that in the ticket. Whoops, that's not great. Oh well. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time we're doing the music script. I'm probably... I don't know if I should put this in ideas or not, but honestly, let's just keep it there for the time being. If I finish the music script next time, we'll also be starting the testing phase, which is very exciting. But except for that, thank you guys very much for watching this 1.5 short stream today, and